Hi everyone, my name is Dimitri, Kreatsoulas, Service Manager at Sayville Ford. We're standing here in front of the all-new kiosk for drop-off purposes in the service department. I'm going to walk you through a few steps to get yourself checked in for any appointments, either night drops or if you don't want to wait online when there's a lot of cars in front of you. It's a few quick, simple steps. Check in here. It asks if you do have a service appointment. So I do have an appointment. We're going to look it up by my last name. Put that in here. Okay, and it's already populating with my appointment. So we're going to select the vehicle I have an appointment for. It's asking the best contact method. It has your email address and phone number. We're going to select phone number. Confirm there. Okay, it's asking for mileage confirmation. So if you have a few more than what your appointment was set for, just set it there. It can ask if you want to select a certain service advisor, if you have any preferences. So we're just going to confirm there's no preferences. We're also going to ask if you want to have your vehicle appraised while it's here. So you can either have it appraised or not. So our appointment is set for an oil change on this vehicle. We're going to confirm that with next. Next, we'll pop up a couple of recommendations by the mileage and time on your vehicle. You can just scroll through the recommendations on it right here. Okay, would you like any other services for the vehicle today? If it's just the oil change, you're going to say no thanks. You can drop off. If you're during business hours, you can request a shuttle ride home. If not, after hours, it's just a drop off. One more confirmation on everything the vehicle needed, and then it's going to ask for a signature down here. You just put your signature in, and you're going to accept right there. You'll also be getting a phone call from the service advisor just confirming everything you just went over in the machine. And put your keys in the little drop box, and you are good to go. Thanks for coming to Sayville Ford.